guess you don't take any pictures with me, right?
Right.
Are you done? Not yet?
Picture of getting the Brit. He doesn't mind if you can spell for you.
A videotape.
Hello, look. Take my picture now.
Say I love you, Katie.
I love you, Katie.
I love you, Katie.
I love you.
No, you're
Do I?
just like American.
Okay. I love you like an American, Katie. Right?
It's cold?
Mm-hmm. I'm cold. He's not.
I'm content.
Did you hear that? Wow. Look at my skin. See? Chili bumps, you said? Right?
Chill bumps or goosebumps?
Okay, I like goosebumps better.
We guys got some word form up here in the Pacific Northwest.
No.
Goosebumps.
Goosebumps? Oh, that's so cool. It's so cool. Right?
Right.
You found my jacket?
Yeah, somebody was nice to me. I got a jacket. I'm not cold anymore. I'm happy. Because I'm so cold all the time. I will sleep with blankets during the summer. I'm not cold. That's so cool.
Is that what that is? Victoria Clipper?
Look at that. Like I have this jacket over me and I'm so
She
cold.
still got the chill bumps.
I do have
Katie, I love you.
Katie. Maybe I love you too. I'm not sure. I should think about it, right? I can say Romanian to you be.
Okay.
Katie to you be.
Oh, to you be.
To you be too. Cool. And you know what means poop in Romanian? Kiss you.
What is what?
Te poop means kiss you.
Ew.
That's gross, right? Te poop means kiss you. Yeah. Katie? Just stay down, please. Can you keep her? Sure. What's wrong? This protects me from being cold.
Are you a lot warmer?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Yes, it is.
Wow, look, Katie. He's so beautiful. Oh my God. What's there?
The sun?
Not punk.
I think that's Bainbridge.
Bainbridge Island?
Mm-hmm.
No, Bainbridge Island. Is that? What are you trying to do? It's
Getting
too
a
sunny.
picture of the sun.
You cannot take a picture with the sun. I hope you are aware of it, right?
I'm aware of it.
Keep your jacket. I want to.
Is there another one?
Perfect.
Oh, cool.
So I'll stay here. So you just have to ask Punk to work. Punk. See, I'm the perfect boyfriend, right? Look at that boat.
Now it's recording. Go!
Do we keep pulling?
Oh, we're done now.